back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead. I have been finding a lot of non-phone job leads today, which I know is what everyone wanted, but I didn't want to leave out my worldwide international folks, as a lot of the jobs I've been posting here recently are for my United States folks only. So this one is hiring worldwide that I'm told. So international folks, feel free to apply to this one. The crypto and NFT company Kraken is hiring a data entry clerk. They are looking for a dedicated and professional data entry clerk to work with a very unique and interesting data set in this NFT space. You'll be tasked with validating data concerning various NFT projects for accuracy, completeness, and authenticity. So you'll be verifying standardized user-submitted content. So when users of the Kraken website submit their NFT projects, you will be verifying and collecting data regarding those projects. You'll ensure timely processing of the new data and keep the content up to date. You'll make updates to existing content based on customer requests, and you'll help them maintain and further improve the high standards they have for their data. They are specifically looking for someone who has experience working in a similar role, someone who has great spreadsheet using abilities, someone who is obsessive about details and proud of the quality of their work, someone who is very cautious, and someone who has interest in the NFT and crypto space. Now, because pay generally depends on experience and location, the pay was not provided for this position. You will have to ask them at the time of the interview. All right, I just wanted to share an option for my international folks out there, but if this job was not a fit for you, that is okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you are looking for, along with any education or experience that you have, because I'm always reading the comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.